Peyton just got a fish. Look at that thing. Oh. Well, it was a good one. It was a good one.
I was going to weigh him, but, you know, he just wanted to go, didn't he?
How much do you think it was?
I'd say about a pound, pound and a half.
That's a nice fish.
Pretty good fish.
That's the first fish of the day. Bye. Alright, man, this is my first fish of the day. He's a smallmouth. He's a big one. I'm going to name him Jerry. I caught him on a worm.
He's a largemouth.
He's a largemouth. I don't know much about fishing. But,
I'd say about a pound.
Yeah.
You want to weigh him?
Yeah.
Let's weigh him.
My head's pretty big, so it's bigger than my head, so that's a good thing.
Alright, where's the scale?
Oh, nice fish.
Take the hook out. Just yank it out. There you go. Here.
That's good?
No. No, hold on.
Let me see.
Yeah, put it in. No.
I mean, there's a hole right here.
You're supposed to do this.
Oh, in the gill. There it goes.
That is 1 pound. There you go.
Hey. Oh, God. He's
No,
dying.
let's go for the release.
All right, well, goodbye, Tom.
Yeah. Nice fish. Hey guys, I just caught this nice pounder. He smacked the crap out of that spinnerbait. I thought I was stuck. He put up a pretty good fight. Let's go for the release.
Look at him go.